have you ever taken a trendline breakout trade and the market immediately reversed against you? Let me show you why that happens. Right here we have bearish trendline controlling price. Most traders are taught that once once this trendline breaks, it confirms buy opportunities. And as you can see here, when it is being taught, whenever you want to draw a trend line, you move to the line chart. You kind of like draw the trend to first touch the first and the second, so you can definitely short on the third. All right, so let's say this is it. So on the third touch, that's where you definitely want to place your sell trade. So you move back to the trend line. Either you have an engulfing candle or a hammer, reverse hammer and stuff like that. So but in reality, when you have all this, and as you can definitely see here, price broke the trend line and many traders entered buyers expecting the market to go higher, to definitely move higher. But look what happened next. Price failed to continue bullish and reversed strongly, reversed massively strongly. So this is what we call market manipulation, by price manipulated the price and moved to the downside. So the breakout was simply used to definitely trigger buy orders and liquidity before the market moved in the real direction. As you can also see, you can probably see here, so the market definitely break here and trying to move to the downside here, and moved to the upside, kind of like move that, created that impulse, and during the retest it still triggered so many buyers who missed out the trade, and later on triggered their stop losses and all of that. Same here during the mitigation, it trying to move to the upside after this mitigation, and it failed and moved the price to the downside. Why smart money is massively shorting. So this was just this is a trend line liquidity. So they're definitely using this trend line as liquidity right here, which you definitely take advantage of that. So this is why mostly I focus more on smart money concept rather than just trend lines. So because smart money is not interested in lines, they're interested in what they're more interested in liquidity and where traders place their orders. So if you definitely see here, you will probably understand that we have this. So we already had the breakdown here. You can definitely look at, if you haven't seen the video, you should definitely look at the video. Just search maybe before this one or after, maybe before this one. So just search, you'll probably see a detailed breakdown of how we definitely took these trades and all of that. So we probably have this, we probably have this, all smart money. So it mitigated as smart money and moved price to downside. So that was on the 4 hour time frame, was pretty good, but we were more on the 1 hour time frame based on this, So that is it. Order flow, move to the downside. So we used both the 4 hours and the 1 hour time frame in synergy, to perfectly map out our zones, be it the order block or the liquidity, I'm sorry, the order flow. So that's it. So we probably have this. So now, okay, let me move down to the 1 hour time frame. So as you can probably see, we had our order block. So price definitely break that trend line to mitigate our order block, and price move back to downside. Still on the 4 hour time frame, we had massively this order block unmitigated. Price definitely moved to downside after the mitigation, and that was massive. So we had this, we had this. Despite this, we probably have this. So this was quite cool for trendline traders trading based on the 4 hours time frame. That's it. It was quite cool for them, to short. So that was quite cool for trendline traders who considered the 4 hours time frame. But for those who considered trading the 1 hour time frame, that was a mess because he did break and trying to fake them out and all of that. So we had this, and they definitely made their profit based on trendline trading. So I just want to make you understand, the strategy does work, but not 100%. Most of the times it definitely tend to fake you out and all of that. So that's it. I prefer smart money concept, and that's it. So be honest, have you ever been trapped by a trendline breakout like this? And if you have, comment trap if this has happened to you. So see you in the next. This